Sometimes you want to shoot the same scene simultaneously with more than one camera. For instance, you might have 3 different cameras shooting a wedding ceremony. Vegas Movie Studio makes it easy for you to switch between these cameras to create a final video shot from multiple perspectives. First, add each video to the Project Media window. Then drag the first one to your project timeline. Then, add the next video directly below it on another track. If there is not already an empty track in your timeline, drag the media to the empty space below the tracks and drop it there. This automatically creates a new track to hold the video and one to hold the audio. Keep adding your media in this way with each camera on its own track. With 3 source videos, we will need 3 video and 3 audio tracks. Now, use the audio waveforms to synchronize each of the videos. You can line up the audio waveforms visually and can also play your project to hear whether they're synchronized. Zoom into your timeline to get a more detailed view of the waveforms and to make fine adjustments to the position of each clip until they line up perfectly. Finally, name the video tracks so that you can tell which camera angle is on which track. Once the videos are synchronized, decide which track has the best audio and click the mute button on the other tracks to take them out of the audio mix. Enable multi-camera editing in the Tools menu. Hold the Control key and click on the track icon for each track that holds one of your video files. This selects each of these tracks. Now choose Tools, Multicamera, Create Multicamera Track. The tracks are combined into a single multi-camera track, and each camera image appears in the preview monitor. The active video is highlighted with a blue border. Now, to call your camera shots in real time, play your project. As it plays, decide when you want to switch to a different camera and click that camera's video in the preview window to switch to it. The blue highlight changes to the camera you clicked to indicate that it is now the active camera. You can switch cameras like this as many times as you need in order to create your video. In the timeline, notice that the video thumbnails change to the camera that you've switched to, so you can easily see which camera is active at any point in your project. After you've finished calling your shots, you can always adjust your cut points to get exactly the edit you want. Choose Tools, Multi-Camera, enable Multicam Editing to exit multi-camera mode and return to the regular project mode. Play your project and watch as the video preview shows the results of your camera switching. If you're not totally happy with the results, you can trim clip events to adjust the cut between shots. If you would rather use a different shot than the one you called, right-click the clip event and choose Take. Then, from the Cascading Context menu, choose the clip you want to switch to instead.